Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tasleem and today in this video I'll be sharing you the reading techniques which you can use to improve your reading skills, right? So in my previous video we discussed that reading and listening are the two receptive skills. Okay, so in order to master any language we have to work on these two skills, right? If you are acquiring more and more knowledge, then only you will be able to speak in English fluently, right? So in this video I'll suggest you some techniques which will help you in reading, developing your reading habits. And reading is the best habit that you can acquire, right? And it will help you in developing your personality, and your knowledge can never be taken away from you, right? So you must have heard that reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body. So it will really help you so much. So you must have heard that the successful people have the habit of reading. So all the people who are successful, they have developed the habit of reading. Okay, so let's talk about the first tip, and that is when you read you should read louder so that you can hear your voice and you can hear what are you pronouncing. So this will help you in pronunciation, and you will be able to work on your intonation. You will be, and if you're reading loudly, then you will be able to know where you have to take the pauses, right? And you are doing this two things together, that is you are reading something and you are listening something. If you're reading loudly, then you are also practicing the listening part. So you are doing the two things together, so you will be able to remember the things which you are reading, right? So let's come to our second tip, that is when you are reading you should keep your phone away from you, right? Because it will create so much distractions. You will get the notifications and you will not be able to concentrate what you are reading. Okay, now, the third tip is that if you are a beginner, then you should not just jump for the novel or some motivational book. Start with short stories because they are different and they are interesting. So in the starting, your main focus should be on developing this reading habit, developing this reading skills. Okay, so just start with the short stories, and then after that you once you develop this habit of reading, then you can switch to the motivational books, novels, because they are quite long and they have different words and they have difficult vocabulary as well, right? So start with something that is easy and that can interest you in the starting. So once you develop the habit, then you can switch to the novels and motivational book. Okay, so my fourth tip is that do not skip a single word. If you do not know the meaning of that word, what you can do, you can note it down and you can search the meaning of that word on Google Dictionary. Okay, so nowadays I'm reading this book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. I'm reading this book nowadays, and let me show you how I practice this reading skill. A magnetized piece of steel will lift about 12 times its own weight, and if you demagnetize the same piece of steel, it will not even lift a feather. Similarly, there are two types of man. There is the magnetized man who is full of confidence and faith. He knows that he is born to win and to succeed. Then there is the type of man who is demagnetized. He is full of fears and doubts. Opportunities come and he says, I might fail, I might lose my money, people will laugh at me. This type of man will not get any far in life, because if he is afraid to go forward, he will simply stay where he is. Become a magnetized man and discover the master secret of the ages. Okay, so let's consider I am not understanding the meaning of the word ages. So what I will do, I'll take my notebook and I'll write down the word ages. Now I will search the meaning of this word in my Google Dictionary. Now what I will do, I will search the meaning of the word ages in my dictionary. So age means the length of time that somebody has lived or that somebody has existed, right? A particular period in somebody's life. Okay. So in this way, we can check the meaning of that word and we can check the pronunciation as well. So my next tip is that In order to remember the things you have read, you have to concentrate on the reading part 100%. Okay, so if you find something interesting or if you find something important, then what you can do, you can take your pencil, you can read it with the pencil and you can underline that part. So whenever you open the book again, then you will read it again and again, right? So I hope you like the techniques and you will apply or implement these techniques into your reading skills, because this is really going to help you. So I would suggest you to put your books on your bed, because I also do that and I really love books around me. So this will motivate you to read more and more. Okay, so I hope you will implement all these techniques into your reading skills, and once you develop this art of reading, then you do not need to push yourself to read again and again. Okay, so if you like my video, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.